Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 3, creative question number 2. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 3. Today we will discuss creative question number 2. In our previous class we have discussed creative question number 1. Today we will discuss 2 number creative question. And this is lecture number 8. And I will give you SW. Our today's SW number will be 7 number SW. So dear students, let's start today's class. You can see I have written here all questions and answers. And from the beginning of this question, you can see here is 3 figure M, R, N. And in your book, in your science book, this creative question is here, page number 34. Page number 34. This creative question. 2 number creative question. So we can see here is 3 figure M, figure R and figure N. And question is, what is an offset? What is an offset? And B number question is, why is pitcher plant is called insect trap? Explain. And C number, explain the necessity of the part M in first diagram. And D number, compare the plants R and N. Compare the plants R and N. That means these R and N. And A number question is, what is an offset? Answer is, internodes of some aquatic plants like Pistia, Bangla name is Topapana, and Eichhornia, Bangla name is Kochuripana, are thick and short, so the stem look dark. This is called offset. This is called offset. B number question was, why is pitcher plant is called insect trap? Explain. Pitcher plant is a climber plant whose leaves are modified to pitcher. Pitcher plant is a climber plant whose leaves are modified to pitcher. When insects enter inside the pitcher, the lid of the pitcher is closed and the plants absorb juice from the insect body. For this reason, pitcher plant is called insect trap. Now C number question. C number question was, explain the necessity of the part M in first diagram. That means this one, M. We can see this figure, and this figure we can see this is new metaphor. Explain the necessity. Question was, explain the necessity of the part M in first diagram. Now answer. The part M in the first diagram is respiratory root or new metaphor of Sundari, Goran, etc. Branch roots from the main root come up from the saline and muddy soil in coastal region. These roots have small pores on them. These modified roots are called pneumatophore or respiratory roots. Small pores in pneumatophore help in respiration. Students, here is pneumatophore. You can see this is the spelling of pneumatophore, PNEU, and Here will be another E. I am reading this answer. The part M in the first diagram is respiratory root or pneumatophore of Sundari, Goran, etc. Branch roots from the main root come up from the saline and muddy soil in coastal region. These roots have small pores on them. These modified roots are called pneumatophore or respiratory roots. Now D number question was compare the plants R and N. R and N. Now answer is R is stem tendril. If you can see this picture, this figure, R is stem tendril, and this is a type of aerial modified stem. This is a type of aerial modified stem. And figure N. N is bulbils, which is also aerial modified stem, and N, figure N is bulbil, which is also aerial modified stem. Passion flower, hardjora, etc. climbers develop thread-like thin and spiral long structure, which are called stem tendrils. In some climbers, auxiliary bursts do not develop as branches but store food and become rounded ball-like structure, which are called bulbils, such as Dioscorea, and the Bangla name is Chupri Alu. So dear students, it was your free tip question number 2 answer. Now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 7 number HW. Number HW, and your HW will be this pre-tip question number 2 and sub number is D number. So this is your HW. Your HW, today's HW number is 7 number HW, and this is pre-tip question number 2 and sub number is D. That means it will be your HW. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you have to submit your SW on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.